Hello darlings, and welcome back here to my channel. And in today's video I'll be packing for yet another holiday. Yes, I'm going back to Bulgaria for a couple of days and I do have quite a few occasions, so that's why I thought I'd bring it in front of the camera, in front of you guys, because I have found out that the easiest way for me to pack and be sure of what I'm going to wear is if I do it in front of you and if I just talk it through while I am packing as well. And so the occasions that I have this time are my birthday. Yes, I am going to be 28 in a couple of days. Then it's going to be Georgie's mom's birthday, which is a quite big birthday, so I have to be very elegant for it, have a very nice dress, for example. I am going to go on a holiday for like a spa holiday in a spa hotel for few nights, so I need to be prepared for there as well. And also my best friend is giving birth, so I want to look nice when I'm meeting my little niece. So yes, a lot of big occasions. I am also going for a proper makeup so I can try it out and see how it's going to look on the wedding day. So I'm gonna have the tryouts and I have combined it with my birthday as well. So yes, you see that I have a lot of occasions that I need to pack for and no idea so far. I even tried to dream about it last night, so I was thinking about what I'm going to wear to the different ones just before falling asleep, and I ended up dreaming about monsters instead. So that's why I'm in front of you guys now, and we have to plan the outfits for Bulgaria and all those occasions. So without further ado, I am going to start brainstorming and bring out different outfits. This time I am starting with the accessories first. So I need shoes. I have decided that I want to bring my Massimo Dutti shoes because it's still cold in there. They are very elegant, they have a slight heel to them and they are glossy. So they are going to go for different occasions, and I think that's the most appropriate shoe for the transitional weather at the moment. So yes, I need to pair everything with my Massimo Dutti shoes. I'll probably bring a pair of high heels with me just because of the different occasions, but I need to try out and see which ones. Most likely my green Prada Muse, the one with the green crystals on them, but we'll see. For now we have the boots, which are a certain because I need a slightly more elegant shoe, and I believe that's that. Another thing which is certain that it's coming with me, it's my newest addition, my Prada bag. I am going to be carrying it everywhere with me. Look how cute it goes with this dress as well. So yes, that's going to be coming with me, and I need to think if I need another smaller bag maybe, but which one is it going to be? So let's begin with the first occasion, which is my birthday. Oh, I need a travel outfit as well. But let's begin with my birthday. Okay, so we are gonna go to a restaurant, so it's going to be a very chill atmosphere, but at the same time I'm gonna have proper makeup on, and I want to look cute, but at the same time be very comfortable because I want to be able to eat an entire elephant. Because I like food and that's gonna be my first day in Bulgaria, so I'll go probably overboard. So yes, comfortable, chic. Once again, let's do it. What do we think? I think that's actually very cute. I'm gonna try it out with the Massimo Dutti boots as well. So we want comfort and chic, something a little bit structured. That's the Karen Millen skirt, and something comfortable. I always go to Djerf Avenue, so it was a no-brainer that it's going to be the, I forgot the word, the white breezy shirt. So we're gonna go with the Massimo Dutti shoes, probably add on a little bit of jewelry. I think it's cute. Okay, so that's going to be most likely my birthday outfit. You know, they can change up a little bit, but it's nice to have a full-on outfit in your head whenever you're planning for traveling. I have added my little headband as well, just because I feel like it's a very basic outfit, so it needs a little bit of glam added to it. And headband with Swarovski crystals always does the job. So we have my birthday outfit, that's one of the occasions done. Now we need to do Georgie's mom's birthday, which is going to be quite a big thing, and she's thinking of wearing a proper dress for it, something very formal, like nice and formal, bougie a little bit. So I have ordered something from Karen Millen, which is on the way, and it was supposed to arrive yesterday. I was hoping that I can film it today, however it's delayed, so I don't exactly know how it's going to look like, but potentially there might be something in there for the birthday, but I'm put on the spot at the moment. We need to figure out a very nice outfit for this birthday. let's do it. I know, it's very green, but I don't know, I kind of like it. What do we think? So I think it's very casual, but at the same time it's formal because of the silkiness of the top. This one is from Zara, by the way. I have my green mules on just to match the top, which they are the exact same color of the top, by the way. So I feel like that's a very interesting look. However, I don't know if it's exactly for the occasion. I would say it's an option, if not for the occasion, for one of the other dinners. Or if it's for a dinner, I can definitely add my Prada bag and make it a little bit more sophisticated, but at the same time playful because it's all green from head to toe. What do we think? Is it a 50th birthday party appropriate or is it not? Maybe I should think of something else as well. The more I look at it, the more I'm starting to like it. So the top is from Zara, the skirt is from Djerf Avenue, it's the tube skirt in minty green color, I think it was, with the Prada bag, and let me show you the mules. They are matching perfectly with the top, and it's not such big of a heel, so I can definitely dance with them and look very nice and elegant. And yes, they do match, so I think it's going to be a perfect fit. And it's party appropriate, especially the top, because it's closed from the front, and at the back we have a very open back. I haven't buttoned it up because I need assistance, and my assistance today is playing basketball at the moment. So yes, I cannot unbutton it afterwards. For the next occasions and for everyday use, I would say I am definitely taking those two dresses with me. I feel like this is from River Island 1 or 2 years ago, and it's just a beautiful dress. And I think meeting my future niece, I think it's going to be the perfect outfit because it's something very cute. I'll be taking this one as well with me because it has a long sleeve. Both of them can also be paired with white or black tights, which I need to take with me, and it's gonna look very cute with boots or with heels. So yes, those are pretty neutral and will do for everyday basis, for a nice evening outside. So yes, those two are definitely coming with me. I think I have already figured out the dresses for everyday, and I think we need jeans or some sort of trousers. So I think I have the perfect idea. I think it's going to be old Djerf Avenue, and I'm gonna make it a full look, so wait and see. By the way, again, how cute is it with the Prada bag? I told you, it's going to go with literally everything and it's gonna look very, very cute. For trousers, I am going to go with my Djerf Avenue grayish pants. I have paired them with the heels again just because it doesn't go with the Massimo Dutti boots. They're just a little bit too tall for this type of trousers. Maybe I can find a way to work it out with the boots and for it to look nice. However, I think I'm going to have to stick to either get a pair of trainers with me or I wear them with heels. It looks very nice with heels. The only thing is that maybe the weather is not going to permit it. And of course I've paired it with something very simple. It's my Karen Millen turtleneck, and I don't go anywhere without this turtleneck just because it's a basic that I always reach out for. That's my go-to, and I feel like I can make a very nice and chic outfit together with a bag and some more accessories with something as simple as this. And to make the look even better, I'm going to be taking the two-piece suit, so together with the blazer, they are a matching pair, the greyish pants and the greyish forever blazer, and I think it's such a cute option. I might even use this instead for my birthday because it's something very comfortable, but at the same time it's a powerful woman vibe because of course it's a two-piece suit, it's an oversized blazer again, and paired with the high heels it's actually very cute. Maybe I can add another green detail around the neck, or I don't know, a bracelet, or maybe even a headband. So yes, that's going to be my pants and my blazer all covered up, so I can definitely mix and match the blazer with the skirts as well. And you know, when you're packing small, because I'm going to have only a small luggage, you need to be smart with what you're taking, things that are gonna go well with each other. Let's try out with the bag actually and see how it's going to match, because it is different types of beiges together. Still loving it. I love it. I don't care if it's a different shade of beige, it still looks cute. That for me definitely works. So now what is left? I have everyday trousers, I have my birthday covered, Georgie's mom birthday covered, what I'm going to meet my little niece with so what's left? Oh yes, I do need a swimming suit for my spa days, and I actually have picked something new because there's only one black swimming suit that I have, and I've had it for probably more than 6 years, and it's my go-to. However, it's not the most a beautiful one, and it's not the most comfortable either, so I needed something to replace it with, so I'm gonna show you what I've picked up. And for the spa days, I am all sorted out with this Michael Kors swimming suit, which is actually very cute because it has crisscross detail at the back. It's very plain at the front. You can just see the Michael Kors signage on the straps at the back and a little bit at the front, and I think it's something very plain, very cute, and especially when you're going to be indoors and there's not going to be any sun. I am basically gonna go to the jacuzzi and so on and so on. I think it's very nice to have something that's maybe not a two-piece, to have an option to have a full-on swimming suit. This way I'll definitely feel very comfortable. It's a very nice one, so I'm sure that I'll get the use out of it during summer as well. But yes, that's what I've picked out for those spa days, because I just wanted something like this to have as a staple in my collection, and I think that's the perfect one. And the very last staple that I'll need for this holiday is a nice jacket, and it is a little bit colder outside, and yes, I am pairing my swimming suit together with the jacket, but it's the very last piece that I completely forgot about. So this time I think I'm gonna get my Poplin a Prada jacket with me. It's a raincoat, so definitely I need to have very nice clothing underneath, something to keep me a little bit warmer, because this one is not going to protect me if it's extremely cold. However, sometimes beauty is pain, and yes, I do really want to wear this jacket no matter what the weather is and no matter the temperature, so I am going to go with this one. I can finally wear it outside. It's very cute. It's an outfit on its own, come on. So yes. Thank you for watching, darlings. That's going to be the end of today's video. Thank you for brainstorming with me, helping me out, even though you're not sharing much information, but if you can help me out in the comments, that would be even more appreciated. And do you think the outfits are appropriate for the different events that I have and I'm going to? And most of all, are they pairable with each other? I think they are. So yes. That's going to be the end of today's video. I really hope that you have enjoyed it. Thank you for staying with me, for watching it, and I'll see you again in the next one. Probably a vlog from Bulgaria, what I'm doing, what I'm wearing, and so on, so probably expect this. So with that being said, sending you lots of hugs and kisses, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!